You carry the world, you carry the world in your own two hands. You're part of the earth, every heart's beating just the same. When the noise falls away and you feel alone, and the echoes of doubt are rising from within, there's a voice in the dark that's calling your name. Don't change who you are. You just gotta be. Breathe it in, let your heart believe. You just gotta be. Bathing in your light, alive, and you'll simply be. Breathing in, feeling alive underneath your skin. What a wonder. Breathing out, you are connected to everything, 'cause you belong now. Listen to your soul, it will guide you along. It's the rhythm of hope, an unbreakable song. Every step that you take is every turn back to you. So don't change who you are. You just gotta be. Breathe it in, let your heart believe. You just gotta be. Bathing in your light, alive. We are rising like a chorus in the night. Every breath is a beam of light. Every voice is a color of the sun. We are perfect when we come undone. You are perfect. You just gotta be.
Okay, I don't want you to sit around here. Stand up, everybody. Come on, stand up, everybody. Every man, every woman in this arena, stand up. Come on, let me see your hands.
You just gotta be.
That's right. Come on. Let me hear your voices. Here's the lyrics. Come on, sing with me. Woo, that's right. Let me hear you, everybody. The world needs to hear your voice, to remember who you are, and you are perfect. Let your heart believe. That's right. Come on. Sing it for everybody who cannot be here today, in order for you to shine your light. This is your time to shine. Breathe it in, let your heart believe. That's right. Better than your eyes alive. and you'll simply be